I'm Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the unique kind of testing friends, charging with the solar panel to the IQ7 device. You can see friends, right now I do have the IQ7 smartphone. I'm going to charge this IQ7 device using the solar panels. So yes, I'm just going to charge only for a few minutes friends, maybe 10 to 15 minutes of time, just to check how much percentage it can be chargeable actually. So the solar panel has got the three ports, as you can see individually. The orange one has got the really fast charging support test. That is a port exactly I'm going to use in this kind of test. So there's a 4 panels you can get in this foldable solar panel. So this is a really good solar panel. So in case if you want me to review on this one, I can definitely do that. So by using the solar panel, you can definitely charge 3 devices at once. Yes, 3 devices. But as you can see right now, this is an IQ7 device. And one more quick note friends, this solar panel works really good with the MI and Redmi phones. Yes, it works really great with those phones. But with this IQ7 device, I'll try to show you how much speeds I'm going to get in terms of the charging milliamperes, how much I'm getting. I'll try to explain you. So in case if you want me to compare with Mi11X, I can definitely do that in another video. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So depending on the comments only, I will be able to do videos friends. So right now I'm getting the charging speeds of close to 1000 milliamperes, but not much higher. You can see the flickering issue is still happening in the IQ7 device, but that's for another topic. As you can see right now, you're getting milliamperes of close to 900 milliamperes. So completely using only solar charging, I'm charging friends, as you can see. So this is a big extension cable which I ordered. So just for to charge the mobile phones in this way, because it's not good to keep the mobile phones as well in the direct sunlight. So if you have this kind of extension port, definitely you will be having helpful. As you can see, I did use a smart fast charging port only. I did select, as you can see. So this is a small area where if you are having in your home this kind of environment, then definitely you can charge your devices easily friends. So even when there is a power cut, you can actually charge it. So that's a really good advantage. So that is the reason I thought of, just out of curiosity, just testing in this IQ7 device, how much the phone will be able to charge, how much percentage. So as you can see, this is where I'll try to keep my mobile phone inside my house, not outside. So that is the reason, as I said, you do need this kind of big cable extension to support this kind of thing. So right now you can see the graphs as well, how it's going on the graph. So sometimes depending upon the clouds as well, the speed will decrease. So depending upon the cloud, so that's another thing you need to remember. So when right now, as you can see, there is not much light is going on, but still the phone was able to charge little bit. As you can see, the phone is charging. You can see, but not much, just a little bit. It's charging. So as soon as the sun comes, as you can see, the speed will increase automatically. It will try to increase little by little. As you can see, the graph is increasing slowly. You can see clearly friends. So right now it's kind of close to 10 minutes of time. So for 10 minutes I thought of just doing this kind of small test just to see how much battery percentage is charging. So you can see that LED notification light, that is I did another video how to install that LED notification light. Make sure to type in the YouTube LED notification light SciTech Guru. So right now for 10 minutes 4% of battery got charged. So for 1 hour you can charge up to 16 to 15% for 1 hour. This is not the fair way to charge, but I just want to check. But let me try to compare with the side by side with other smartphone. Like just as a sample I'm going to show you. So for 10 minutes, close to 4 to 5%. So in the Mi11X device, the Mi11X device can charge really fast. As you can see, you do get quick charge, and the speeds can go up to 2000 milliamperes. Yes, in the Mi11X device, it can actually increase that much of speeds in the Mi11X device. Same place, same solar panel, and different speeds I'm getting charging. As you can see friends, it's really high. It's maintaining always high in the Mi11X. I can do that comparison in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates.